Approximately all liquids can be classified broadly into acid, neutral or base. Acids contain high number of hydrogen ion, they taste sour, just like lemon, orange juice or curd. Neutral chemicals such as water contain equal number of hydrogen and hydroxide ions, they have no taste. Bases such as baking powder we use to cook cookies and cake contain high number of hydroxide ions and are generally bitter. Other examples are soap and bleach. See the scale? Scientists use this scale called a pH scale to check how acidic or basic a liquid is. A pH value can be anything from 0 to 14. Neutral water has a pH of 7. Values from 0 to 7 are acids, with 0 being the strongest acid. Lemon with pH 2 is very acidic. Whatever comes within 7 to 14 are bases, with 14 being the most powerful base. Soap with pH 10 is basic but not highly basic.
A pH indicator changes color according to pH value when dipped in acid or base. Let's see if we can make our own pH indicator at home. We need paper, hibiscus flower, turmeric, 2 paint brushes, soap, lemon and water. Squeeze out juice of 1 lemon. Mix 1 spoon soap powder with 1 spoon water.
Rub the hibiscus petals on the paper. This becomes your pH indicator. You can either use earbud or paintbrush to dip it in lemon juice and paint it on the pH indicator. You will observe the paper to turn red in color as lemon juice is acidic. Dip another brush in soap water or floor cleaner liquid and paint it on the pH indicator. You will observe the paper to turn blue or green as floor cleaner is basic. So the hibiscus turns red for acid, purple for neutral, green or blue for base.
Mix 1 spoon of turmeric with 2 spoons of water. Rub this paste on paper. Wait till paper dries. Once it's dry, use soap water brush to paint on paper. Soap, a base, turns turmeric red. Now use lemon juice brush to paint on paper. Acidic lemon turns the turmeric back to yellow. So turmeric turns red for base. This red turns back to yellow for an acid.
Which pH indicator we saw today do you think is more useful? Hibiscus changes color more readily, while turmeric only changes color for acid once a base has also been applied. In fact, hibiscus indicator can be made to show each of the 14 points in a standard pH indicator.
So now let's start some fun painting with our homemade pH indicator paper.